Hi, this is my implementation of Axiom Trade's Pulse token discovery table. I focused on matching the UI as closely as possible while keeping the code clean, reusable, and performance optimized. So overall, the layout contains the page is structured into three main sections, exactly like the original Pulse view. Like there are three columns: new pairs, final stage, migrated. Each column represents a different stage in a token's life cycle, and the counts update dynamically based on the live data. Uh, each token is rendered as a reusable card component. It displays the token's avatar, status, name, symbol, token age, market cap, volume, and live price update. So you can see all this real-time data updates in each token. So the risk and metric badges, you can see there is a risk and metric badges include tooltips feature. It includes tooltip features. So when you hover over them, you get a clear explanation instead of guessing what a value means. So suppose I hover over them. Top holder. It shows dev sold 15%, sniper bots and all. These are the tooltip feature that I have added as per asked in the task. So when you click on a token, a detailed model opens with extended market metrics and a visual risk indicator. The model supports keyboard navigation and can be closed using escape button, keeping accessibility in mind. So when I click escape button, see, uh, so it get closed, and I can close this model using this button also. So this is the model interaction. And I have also added the sorting feature. When I click on sorting, it sorts uh, sorts the tokens based on age, market cap, volume, price, change percentage, holders, and all the metrics that I have added. So sorting happens instantly without layout shifts, and each option has a tooltip to explain what it does. So when I go for each option, it tells what it does instead of just guessing what it does. So if I click on volume, it gets sort. You can see this is the sorting feature that I have added. So if I talk about the real-time updation, so the data updates in real time using a mocked WebSocket setup. So take a look. It will change for a moment, and the UI will also change. The order of the token also gets changed. So price changes are highlighted with smooth color transitions, making it easy to notice movement without being distracting. As you can see, this all these are gets changing. Now, if I talk about the responsiveness, so in a mobile view, it's the layout is fully responsive down to 320 pixels. On smaller screens, it switches to a tab-based layout. You can see the tab-based layout. Instead of three-column layout, it switches to tab-based layout, and so that user can easily switch between token categories. And if I go for an iPad view, it also in a three-tab layout. So it is responsive, fully responsive. I made this website fully responsive. And there is one small UI polish that I have done is this: when I scroll, the scroll bar appears, and when I stop scrolling, it hides automatically. See this scroll bar, it will appear, and then if I stop scrolling, it gets hide. So the app is built using, if I talk about what tech stack I used, the app is built using Next.js, app router, TypeScript in strict mode, Tailwind CSS for designing, Redux toolkit for state management, React query, and Radix UI. Components follows an atomic structure and are memoized where needed, and the app achieves 90 plus lighthouse scores. So this is all about my task. And there is one more thing. When I reload this, it shows the shimmer UI. You can see the loading states. Uh, so this is the small detail that also I forgot to mention. So thanks for watching, guys. You can find the source code, live deployment, and documentation in the GitHub repository, and you can find the GitHub repository link in the description of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.